job.
Thank you, Emma. Thank you. They're so helpful.
All right.
Thank you. Emma, can you say Rocky?
Okay.
Let's take this out. Emma, can you say Rocky?
That's right. Good job.
All right, Emma, thank you. Can you say bye?